Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time!
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more project ideas and tutorials.
Hey everyone! If you like making shirts and pillowcases with your Cricut, but you don't love the way that the iron-on vinyl can peel and crack, then Infusible ink might be your answer. Today we're going to unbox the Infusible Ink Essentials bundle from Cricut and see if the bundle is worth it. So let's take a look at what kind of goodies come in this bundle. The first thing out of the box is this Infusible ink compatible tote bag. This should be a fun project because it comes as a blank and you can put whatever design you want on there. Next up are these Infusible ink markers. You can either use these to draw freehand, or you can load them into your Cricut and have your machine do your drawing for you. In addition to the markers, you also get the pens in this bundle. The difference between the markers and the pens is just the thickness at the tip. One thing to note for both the Infusible ink markers and pens is that you need to put your drawing onto an Infusible ink blank. These are sold separately and none were included in this bundle. Obviously your Infusible ink is going to be really good for any cloth projects, but did you know you can also use it for hard project as well? The next couple items are both coasters. There's a package of square blanks as well as a package of round ones. And finally, let's get to our Infusible ink transfer sheets. This bundle came with 8 different colors. We have black, true blue, warm gray, and cherry red. In addition to the solid colors, we also have quite a few patterns. The first one is Wildflower, and it comes with 4 different designs in there. These patterns would be cute on a shirt or even on a pillowcase. The next one is Rainbow. This one would definitely be a hit with kids, and as you turn the box, you can see the different colors it's going to be. The next pattern is Triangle Brights, and after that is Jungle Safari. This is another pack that comes with 4 different designs, and I'm sure there's lots of little kids out there that would like this bug pattern. Well, there you have it. This is everything that comes in the Infusible Ink Essentials bundle. If you're new to the Infusible ink world and you don't have much supplies yet, this might be a good way to go because you do get a lot of different colors and patterns to choose from, as well as enough markers to start you off. If you already have some Infusible ink transfer paper at home, then I would say take a look at your materials and make the decision if you want to go for the extra things like the coasters and the tote bag. The one thing that I really liked about this bundle is just how much transfer paper was included in this. I got this package on sale for $87, and with the transfer paper normally costing $12.99 to $17.99, I thought this was a good value for how many times I'm going to be using it. Well, thanks for joining me today. If you haven't used Infusible ink transfer paper before, make sure you check out a few videos before you start, because there are a few things that you need to do differently than you would with vinyl. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.